I'm finally making this video for you guys. I'm going to show you what Robert Kiyosaki's cash flow game taught me about the game of life. I'm in love with this game, guys. It's super fun, and yet it teaches you everything you need to know in order to escape the rat race. And only successful people would agree that everything in this game is the key and answer to success. There's nothing else. Hey, my name is Sannan-sanani, and a few years ago my life came crashing down from all sides trying to figure things out, all right? Plus I was still staying in my parents' house, but today I'm going to demonstrate to you through this fun game how I was able to escape the rat race and achieve financial freedom. So if you're new to my channel and you like to start or improve your real estate skills, you know how to get in, get around, and get out with multiple sources of income through real estate investing, then don't forget to support, subscribe, hit the like button, engage with my channel. I answer everybody in 24 hours. If you have a comment, leave it below. Let's go. So let's dive in and show you what the game looks like. Before you start the game, you've got to choose a dream. What are you doing this all for? What do you want?
What do you want?
All right, probably the most important question you can ever ask yourself in life. The first question you should ever ask yourself. If your intention is to live your greatest life, what do I want?
Simple. What do you want?
It's shocking that almost no one is asking this. Almost no one is living the life they want. And that doesn't surprise me. When you know that no one knows what they want, how can they go get what they want?
You can't.
It's kind of like what the Cheshire Cat says to Alice in Wonderland. You know, Alice reaches a fork road. She's stuck, she has a decision to make. And she sees the Cheshire Cat and asks, which way do I go? And the cat responds,
that depends on where you want to get to.
And Alice responds, I don't know. And the cat says, then it doesn't matter which way to go.
It really doesn't matter which way you go.
Because both ways will get you there. So Robert Kiyosaki is a genius by making the player start by choosing a dream, having a purpose, okay? You start with picking your dream, and then you're given a random salary. Some start as a janitor, some start as a lawyer, teacher, manager, it does not matter. You all start in the rat race with bad debt like credit card loans and car loans. And there are two tracks in life. One is the rat race. Two is the fast track. The rat race is where you start, and it's where you are trading time for money while trying to do small and big deals for capital gains and passive income. When your passive income is equal to or greater than your expenses and you no longer need to work for money, you jump into the fast track where you start investing on a bigger level. So all players in the cash flow game start out in the rat race, and the goal is to get out of the rat race and onto the fast track. And that's kind of like life, where most people spend years trading time for money and working for somebody. Okay, the trick to this game, in the game of life, is to learn how to leverage your salary to create a side income that eventually becomes your main income, and clear yourself of all bad debt and to get yourself some good debt. And what makes this game different than Monopoly is that in the cash flow game, you start with an income statement. Okay, look, in real life, your banker doesn't ask you for your report card or your university degree. They don't ask you for your IQ level either. Okay, they ask you for your income statement. So this is your report card in real life, right? Where your banker can see how financially smart you are.
This here is an income statement, and this is a balance sheet. Income, expense, assets, and liabilities. If you're going to be an entrepreneur or a professional investor, this is a must. Is that correct?
It is, and this is actually the scorecard for the cash flow game. So everything that we did in real life, this is exactly how we think, this is how we operate. It's about getting your passive income greater than your expenses. This is how we did it, and it's crucial. If you don't know this, you're not going to make it.
You've got your income and expenses and your assets and liabilities. There's a mix of small deals and big deals, and stocks and real estate, plus a couple of other surprises like getting a baby or market crashes. I really suggest you try it out. Why are games important? Well, it's a fun way to learn, right? Plus, the more you play, the smarter you get. So, kind of like...
It's not just a win-win, it's a win-win-win.
You might discover how bad you really are in finance and make mistakes, but mistakes are only bad in school, all right? In life, the more mistakes you make, the more you learn and win. So make as many mistakes as you can as fast as possible. Keep making mistakes and learn. Don't be scared of making mistakes. When I first started, I would get bankrupt so many times on this game.
I declare bankruptcy!
Keep playing till you understand how to get out of the rat race and onto the fast track. Thank you for watching. If you liked today's video, you can show your support by hitting the like button and commenting so YouTube knows it's a good video and shows it to more people. God bless you. Take care.